Looking at a piece of wood and wondering what amazing things you can make out of it? Check out these cool woodworking hacks and ideas that are fun to try out here at MechMinds Hub. Let's get started! The painting bench is a versatile piece of furniture that you can easily create at home. It's designed to be used in multiple ways as a step to reach high places, as a seat when you need a break, and as a table for your painting supplies or other items. What's great about this bench is that it's not heavy, so you can move it around without any trouble. You don't need to be an expert to make it, and it won't take much time either. In just about 4 hours, you can have this handy bench ready to use. From the solid foundation of the step stool, we ascend to the walls of entertainment with a specialized storage solution. It's like a special shelf that hangs on the wall and has enough space to store up to 60 video game cases. Making one is pretty straightforward, so you don't need to be a woodworking expert to do it. You just need some basic tools and skills, like measuring, cutting, and screwing pieces of wood together. Once it's made, you can paint it or decorate it however you like to match your room. It's a practical project that not only helps you keep your games in one place, but also adds a touch of style to your space. Moving from the practical to the picturesque, a faux wood log insert is a smart addition to make your fireplace look cozy and full, even when it's not in use. Imagine a stack of real logs, but instead, you have a lightweight and easy-to-install decoration. This insert is made by attaching thin slices of real logs to a flat piece of plywood. When you put it into your fireplace, it looks just like a pile of wood ready for burning. It's a great way to add warmth to your room's decor without the hassle of handling real firewood. Plus, it's safe and requires no maintenance, making it a convenient choice for a busy household. From the warmth of the hearth to the organization of the workspace, our next project brings order and style. Building a backyard birdhouse is a delightful project that's both easy on the wallet and enjoyable to do. For under $20, you can create a charming home for birds right in your own backyard. This project is perfect for a relaxed afternoon, taking only about half a day to complete. You can pick from various types of wood, depending on what you have available or prefer. To make it even more special, you can add little decorations like those found in doll houses. These small touches can make your birdhouse stand out and become a real highlight in your garden. It's a simple way to bring nature closer to home and provide a safe spot for birds to nest. Plus, it's a great activity to share with family, teaching kids about craftsmanship and wildlife. Let's consider a sleek solution for the mobile devices. Creating a wooden mobile holder is a fun and useful project that even those new to woodworking can manage. This holder serves as a secure place to keep your phone while you're not using it. It's designed to be simple yet elegant, adding a touch of style to any space. You'll need just a few pieces of wood and some basic tools to make it. The process involves cutting the wood to size, sanding it smooth, and assembling the pieces. Once finished, you'll have a handy and attractive stand that props up your phone, making it easier to view the screen. It's a great way to combine functionality with a personal touch in your home or office. Now, let's set sail from the office to the great outdoors with a project that's sure to rock your world. Imagine a swing set that not only provides fun, but also brings a piece of the sea to your home. A wooden boat swing set is a charming addition to any backyard. It's built to resemble a sturdy little boat, complete with a bow and stern. Hanging from strong supports, this swing can rock gently or sway with the vigor of a ship braving the waves. It's a creative twist on the traditional swing set and is sure to delight both children and adults. Building it can be a rewarding weekend project, and once complete, it will serve as a conversation starter and a source of endless joy. Wood art is a beautiful way to display images, and transferring graphics onto wood is a simple process that can yield stunning results. You can take any picture, whether it's a photograph, a drawing, or a pattern, and transfer it onto a piece of wood using basic materials. This technique allows the natural grain of the wood to show through the image, giving it a rustic and organic feel. It's perfect for creating personalized gifts, home decor, or even selling at craft fairs. The possibilities are endless, and the process is straightforward enough for beginners to achieve great results. Next up, a chic stand that brings a slice of nature to your tech. A TV Wood iPhone stand is a dual-purpose accessory that's both functional and stylish. It's designed to hold your iPhone securely, providing an optimal viewing angle whether you're watching videos, making video calls, or simply keeping an eye on notifications. When placed near your TV, it blends in seamlessly with your entertainment setup, adding a touch of natural elegance. Crafting this stand from wood not only gives it a sturdy base, but also allows you to customize its look to match your decor. It's a small project that can make a big difference in how you use and enjoy your iPhone at home. A small oak table is a versatile piece of furniture that can enhance any room. Oak is known for its strength and durability, making it an ideal material for a table that can withstand daily use. The beauty of crafting a small table is that it can be tailored to fit specific spaces, whether it's beside a bed, next to a sofa, or in a cozy corner. Its size makes it perfect for holding a lamp, a stack of books, or a cup of coffee. Elevate your storage with shelves that float like magic on your walls. Floating shelves bring a touch of modern elegance to any wall. They hover without visible supports, giving a clean and uncluttered look. You can craft these shelves at home with some basic tools and materials. Moreover, they offer a customizable solution to match any room's color scheme or design. Not only do they serve as a place for books and decor, but they also free up floor space. Additionally, the installation process is straightforward, making them a popular choice for DIY enthusiasts. Last on the list, let's slide over to a clever corner innovation. A wooden sofa sleeve with a cup holder is the perfect accessory for any couch. It slides over the arm of your sofa, providing a stable surface for drinks. Crafted from wood, this sleeve is both durable and chic. It prevents spills and keeps your beverage within easy reach. Plus, it adds a touch of sophistication to your furniture. The cup holder is a convenient feature, especially during movie nights or social gatherings. Did you find these woodworking hacks and ideas inspiring? Let us know in the comments below. Don't forget to give us a thumbs up, like, share, and subscribe to MechMinds Hub channel. Thank you for watching.